Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another tutorial using the ABH Norvina Collection Volume 5 palette, which looks like this. So I already did a look with this, and I used the neutral ones in this palette, the neutral colors. So today I actually want to play with the purples and see what I can come up with. But I want to use these purples over here and then maybe one of these. I don't know. I have to see. But it wouldn't be a review if I didn't use the purples because they are stunning. Stunning, okay? So, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so, since the focus is on the eyes, I already did my eyebrows, and for that, I used the ABH Brow Wiz in Ebony. I also used the duo powder as well in Ebony, and I primed the lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I already did that, and I set it with the Dermablend Translucent Powder. So this is all I have on the eyes right now. I also added tape just because I like my looks to be like very, I don't want to say perfected, but I like that nice defined cat eye. So that's what we're doing today. So let's jump in. So I'm gonna grab my Morphe R37. Looks like this. It's a nice blender brush, and I am going to dip into, let's do B3, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna apply that all over the crease. And this mirror is a bomb. So I'm just gonna dip in and I'm gonna apply that to my crease. Ooh, this is like a nice, like a periwinkle color. Really pretty. Very, very pretty. Such a pretty color. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Wow, that color's pretty pigmented. Okay. Now I am going to grab a smaller brush, and I'm gonna go into, let's see, I want to do C3, so I'll be using this color right here, and I'm going to apply that to the outer part of my eye, so this part right here. Pretty pigmented. Oh my god, these purples are so beautiful. So beautiful. So when I look straight, I want to be able to see this color right here. Wow, how beautiful is that? Now I'm gonna go back in with my blender brush and I'm gonna blend those edges out. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush just because I want to be able to like hold it close to me. I'm gonna grab more of that purple. The, what is it? It's B3, that periwinkle color. Man, these purples are just stunning. Okay, so I am content with how this is looking. So now I want to grab, I think I want to grab, let's see. Ooh, I'm trying to decide what color I want to use in the inner part, and I think I'm going to go in with this white color over here. So A1, yeah, A1, this color right here. Let's see how that comes out. And it's so soft. Wow, this color is just beautiful. Very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. I think I'm gonna use one of the purple glitters just to blend this white color. It looks white with the bright purple. But I am loving how this is looking so far. Yeah. Alright, let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with A3. So this is A3. So I think I'm gonna use that to marry this berry and white color. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Wow, this is stunning. This palette, the colors, oh my god. I think this is one of my favorite palettes. And yes, I'm a little biased because I love purple. But these colors are super duper stunning, and the blendability is out of this world. I've never tried, like I said, any of the Norvina Collection palettes because, you know, they didn't call to me. But this one was calling my name for sure. And I'm so happy that I have it. So happy. Okay, so I am digging this look. All right, I am loving these colors. How stunning is that? Okay, so I am content with how everything is looking like. As my previous videos, I'm going to do my eyeliner, apply lashes, finish the face, and then I'll come back with the finished look. And I'm back. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I love it. I mean, this is something obviously I can't wear to work, but the colors are so beautiful. Oh my god, I am obsessed. After this, I am going to take so many pictures. I'm going to take advantage. I love these purples. I can't stress it enough. This palette is beautiful. This is me. Like seriously, this is me. All the colors, absolutely all the colors are stunning. Every single one is stunning. Like, this is like, I would say a nude palette with pops of purple. So if you don't like purple, you're most likely not gonna like it. But I truly love it. I will be using this all the time. Seriously, even for my pops of purple. I'll probably take a break from showing this baby on camera because it's fall, and so I want to do some fall looks before it's over, and then we go into winter. But expect to see this in future videos because I truly love this palette, and the makeup looks are endless. Even though they're purples, like, they're also different. They're all so different. So yes, loving this palette. So I hope you enjoyed today's look, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.